Do you ever find yourself speaking too fast? And it's so fast people can't keep up with you. It's like you're racing a marathon. Or do you find yourself speaking too slow and making people bored and drift off, not listening to your message? So when it comes to speech tempo, that is what we refer to as pace. And that is the speed at which you speak. Now, studies have shown what are the best speech rates to speak at, and for a presentation, it typically hangs at the 150 to 200 words per minute. And that's especially for some of the best TED Talks fall into that range of 150 to 200. Tony Robbins was at the 200 mark. You can imagine that man is, woo, let's go. Here's the deal. I don't want you to go count your words per minute, because you're not a robot, you are a human being. And naturally, your speaking rate in a presentation will be a bit faster than in a conversation, because there's anxiety, there's tension, it's adrenaline, it's like go time. We just want to manage your pace, and we want to be strategic in how you use your pace. So trust the fact that you're a human being and you know how to pace yourself. But the more interesting question is, how can I use pace to support my message? So think of it this way. I'm going to give you an example. If I'm painting the picture of the problem, so this is a very good technique to use in your presentation, is to identify the problem of your audience or of your client and then expand on that problem. Now, here in the problem, to bring pressure to what the problem is that they're facing, you can bring speed, because speed is pressure. So you can say, are you having troubles with always being on social media? There's distractions, there's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Tinder, blah, 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 and it's just overwhelming and you don't know what to do, and it's I have a solution for you. So you see what happened there? It got spirally, it got frantic, your voice got frantic, the situation got frantic, it went ah! And you bring it down with that breath, you slow it down, give it a pause, and then you show that you've got a solution. And now the solution has got more gravitas because you've slowed it down. So go play with your pace, speed up the tension points, and then take it slow where you want the point to really land. If everything is going to be slow, nothing is going to land. And if everything is fast, people can't keep up with you. So be strategic in your pacing.